Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you're writing CAT this year, then this video is for you. CAT is round the corner. एक महीने के आसपास अब बचा है. What you should do from here on till CAT is what we're gonna discuss in this video. सबसे important चीज, by now you must have received your CAT admit card. CAT admit card में you will find there are two very important things mentioned. One is your slot. You should be very clear around what timings you have for your slot. And secondly, the venue where the CAT exam will happen for you. In the first part of this video, let's talk about CAT के slot के according आप क्या changes कर सकते हो which will help you with your CAT exam. सबसे पहले, all your mocks from now till the time you go for your CAT exam should be as per the timings of a slot which you have. जिस टाइम में आपका CAT एग्जाम है उसी टाइम में आप मॉक देने का प्रैक्टिस करो. इससे क्या फायदा होगा कि आपकी बॉडी और आपका माइंड जो है वो एकस्टम हो जाएंगे उस पर्टिकुलर आवर्स में टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव. Now, I'm not saying that it will make a huge difference or you might end up getting a 99 even if you're getting 70 now. But to get a brain to work at the best possible capacity, this is very important. So आज से till the time you have CAT, write a mock every alternate day. Now, a lot of people suggest कि last के एक महीने में आपको mock नहीं लिखने चाहिए, 3-4 mock ही लिखने चाहिए. In my experience of last 20 years training students, I have realized if you write a mock every alternate day, that helps a lot in your preparation. First day you write a mock and the second day you should do analysis. Then third day again write a mock, fourth day do analysis. एक दिन mock दो, एक दिन उसको analyze करो. एक दिन mock दो, एक दिन उसको analyze करो. Now how it will help you is keep marking the questions. जो भी question आपको tough लग रहे हैं या questions जो आपसे solve नहीं हो रहे उनको mark करते चले जाओ. 1 week का जब हम strategy discuss करेंगे, last 1 week before the CAT, we will use these questions. In fact, in Global Creed we suggest everyone कि आपको लास्ट के 40 दिन 40 डेज जो आपके बचते हैं, वी कॉल इट बाय द वर्ड गोल्डन 40. इस 40 डेज में यू शुड राइट अ मॉक एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे. नाउ कीप मार्किंग योर क्वेश्चंस एवरी टाइम यू गिव अ मॉक. लेट्स से आपका 10 to 12 वाला स्लॉट है, आपने 10 बजे एक मॉक दिया, 12 बजे तक 12:30 बजे तक यू आर डन विद योर मॉक. टेक अ रेस्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट लुक फॉर द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू गॉट रॉन्ग, टिक देम. At the same time also try to find out कि कौन से आपके strong areas हैं और कौन से आपके weak areas हैं, और उसकी एक list बनाना शुरू कर दो. Now between today and the next mock which you will give, so you have 2 days window in between this, इस 48 hours के अंदर again revise those topics. That will help you a lot. अगर आप ये करते रहोगे, you will do it, let's say in 40 days you will write 20 mocks, so 20 times you have revised the weaker concepts. Second thing which you have to do is keep marking your questions. Last 1 week का strategy जब हम discuss करेंगे, we'll talk about how to use these questions. So that's what you have to do on the mock part. Now what you can do around your preparation is also start solving past CAT papers. Past CAT papers एक बहुत important चीज है for your preparation. Believe you me, that gives you the questions which are very similar to the ones which will appear in CAT this year. तो एटलीस्ट लास्ट 10 years के जो CAT के पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स हैं, ग्लोबल क्रीड की वेबसाइट पे हैं, आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हो, यू कैन डाउनलोड देम. उन क्वेश्चंस को आप एटलीस्ट एक बार जरूर सॉल्व करो. Alongside that, what you should also focus on is solving the mock tests. Like I told you, also keep marking the questions. And one thing which is very important while you do this, start structuring your writing. What do we mean by structuring writing? What you should do is take a limited paper, because एग्जाम में जो आपको पैड मिलेगा वो A4 साइज नहीं होगा. दूसरी बात, आपके पास एक लिमिटेड स्पेस होगा टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. तो ऐसा मत करो that you keep a bunch of papers with you and you start solving questions for the mock. In fact, in Global Creed, the people who write a mock, we suggest them that you use a limited paper जिसके ऊपर आप क्वेश्चंस करो. आपको एक स्पेस कंस्ट्रेंट मिलने वाला है CAT में, बिकॉज वो एक ही पैड होगा जिसमें आपको सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने होंगे. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू दैट हैबिट. अनदर थिंग व्हिच इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट इज चेयर एंड अ टेबल. लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव मॉक्स व्हाइल लाइंग ऑन द बेड, या फिर कहीं पे ऐसे ही बैठ के आप मॉक दे रहे हो. वो चीज अभी करना बिल्कुल बंद कर दो. यू शुड सिट ऑन अ टेबल इन अ चेयर and properly mocks though, because your body should get accustomed of sitting on a table chair, using a less space for solving questions, and being attentive in that 2.5 hour window every day. Second most important thing which your admit card has is your exam center. Now my suggestion to you would be, go and locate your center at least a day prior to your CAT. A lot of people don't do this. A lot of people just go there and in the morning they rush to the center or afternoon they rush to the center and finally उसकी वजह से बहुत stress create हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से exam उतना अच्छा नहीं जाता। तो मेरा suggestion ये है कि at least on Google Map या अगर आप जाके देख सकते हो, go and locate your center a day prior and next day plan well to reach your center। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि last minute rush हुआ और उसकी वजह से you have not been able to give a exam with your proper capabilities। So what you should do is locate your center, go to the center a day prior, have a clear picture in your mind where the center is so that you can reach on time. And the last part, which I was discussing with our students at Global Creed yesterday, should you start preparation of interviews or ZAT right away? My answer to that is, interviews के लिए the one thing which you can start doing is start reading newspapers. एक economic newspaper or एक political newspaper, start reading those. You can take any of those. You can take Economic Times, Mint, Business Standards, anyone for economy. And for the political news and other news, you can try Times of India, Hindu, Hindustan Times, any of these newspapers. This will help you in getting at least the general knowledge, what's happening around some current affairs. वो अभी से improve होने लगेगा. This will also help you in your RCs, so anyhow reading English is good for you. But at the same time, इसके beyond, you should not do anything right now. You should not start preparing for FAQs or frequently asked questions of interviews. You should also not start preparing for SAT yet. 30th November के बाद, we will be launching so many free videos, free content where you can get trained for decision making and other sections of that. At the same time, at Global Creed, we have a compendium for the preparation of decision making section in ZAT. But ये सब कुछ हम CAT के बाद करेंगे. Till CAT, you should not even think about SAT. For now, CAT should be your main focus and just focus on that for now. For now, CAT should be your main focus. So that's it for this video. Till then, you should only focus on CAT preparation. So if you like this video, do like it, share it with your friends. And if you like the content which we put out around CAT, GMAT, and the B school preparations, you can subscribe our channel and you can also suggest to your friends those who are preparing for CAT and GMAT.